Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is topic regarding articles in your English. So there are three type of articles: a, an, and the. Okay, we're gonna study or we're gonna do a MCQs on these articles. So you can test your knowledge, how much you know about English articles. So there is a first question. I saw dash elephant at the zoo. So the options are a, and, the, or no article. So where you use articles, they are vowels, they are consonants. Okay. When there are vowels, you have to use an. When there is a word which sounds like an vowel, you have to use an. I saw dash elephant at the zoo. There is an elephant. The first word sound like a. Elephant. A. So you have to use an. Right? The right answer is an. She is dash honest person. A, and, the, no article. I already told you, when there is a vowel sound you have to use an. When there is a consonant sound you have to use a or the. It depends. Right answer is a, an. Sorry. She is an honest. O. It sounds like o, right? A, E, I, O, U. I think you know the vowels. Which are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Next question is, he bought dash new car yesterday. Your options are a, and, the, no article. If you want me to give you an article explanation, you can comment me on the comment section, right? The right answer is A. He bought a new car yesterday. Dash moon looks beautiful tonight. Dash moon looks beautiful tonight. We're gonna fill the. Why? Because the used on that places which are unique, right? Moon is a unique. It's unique. There is no 2 moons, 3 moons, 4 moons. Moon is only one. Okay, so that's why we use the. For a particular thing we use the, right? The moon looks beautiful tonight. The sun looks beautiful in the daytime, right? We use the for a particular, for a unique things. She wants to become dash engineer. So I already told you vowel and consonant. You have to remember that and answer this question. So we use an. It's engineer, right? There is a vowel used. That's why we're gonna use an. He is dash best player in the team. So use the, because we are saying he is the best, right? Among all of the player, one person, particularly one person is the best. So we're gonna use the. That we are mentioning a particular person. He is the best player in the team. I met dash European tourist at the museum. Your right answer is A. I met a European tourist at the museum. There is dash university in my city. You have to find out how it sounds. University, how university sound. Is there a vowel or a consonant sound? As you can see, it's the first letter of a word is U. but it do not pronounce like vowel, so we're gonna use A. This is a university in my city. I read dash interesting book yesterday. Answer is an. It's I. I read interesting. I. It sounds like I and it's written I. So we use I read an interesting book yesterday because we use an before vowel. Dash Nile River is the longest river in the world. The. It's before river, the particular rivers we use the, right? The Nile River is the longest river in the world. I hope this video really helped you to improve your English grammar. If you want me to provide you a lecture on articles, you can comment me and subscribe my channel for more videos.